Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Racnna Beauty. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in FCT, Nigeria. This video is all about my simple, easy and affordable filming setup and equipment. If you are interested and excited, please keep on watching. In starting up a YouTube channel, there are certain equipment you need to have before you start up your YouTube channel. You doesn't have to have every equipment set before you start up your YouTube channel. You can as well start from a simple level and then you grow in the process. So here are my simple and easy affordable filming setup and equipment. Number one equipment that you need to have in starting up your YouTube channel is an Android phone to film your content. Make sure you get a good Android phone to film your content with good camera pixel. That will do for a start. Then another equipment you need to consider to have in starting up your YouTube channel is a filming stand or a phone holder that will hold your phone while you are filming your content. So another equipment you need to consider to have while starting up your YouTube channel is a microphone. A microphone channel your audio sharply. Microphone enable your voice to come out sharply and loud in the process of filming your content. So another one you need to consider is lighting. For a startup, you don't necessarily need to invest into lighting if you don't have the money, because starting up a YouTube channel requires a whole lot of money if you want to go into standard equipment. So for me, I use the sunlight as my lighting equipment. I use the sunlight. It's a free gift from God, which I'm making use of it judiciously in my YouTube channel. Another equipment you need to have in starting up your YouTube channel is a table and chair. Of course, you need a table to put on your phone holder or phone stand or filming stand. You need a table to place it and you need a chair to sit on. For backdrops, I use the wall of my room. So it's not necessarily you invest in backdrops if you don't have the capability presently. So you don't need to wait until you have all the standard equipment before you start up your YouTube channel. You can simply start from the low level, then you grow up to the higher level in the process. Because if you are waiting for a standard equipment and filming setup before you start up your YouTube channel, that means you're not going to start. So stop procrastinating, start from somewhere. And adage says it's not the day when you give birth to a child that the child grows up and start working. So growth is a process. Start from somewhere. No matter how little it is, just start, because this YouTube channel of a thing, it requires a whole lot of patience, a whole lot of effort, a whole lot of consistency, a whole lot of sacrifice and all that. So start up from a simple level like mine, so that from there you can achieve success. Success is not achieved instantly. It's a process with hard work and consistency and diligence.
So guys, here is my simple, easy and affordable filming setup. You don't need to break a bank because you want to start up a YouTube channel. You can simply start from a low level, then you grow up to a higher level. When I was starting up my YouTube channel, I got only 2 items, which is the phone holder and the microphone. I got both of them at the rate of 2,500 naira each. I think in dollar is $5. When I was getting the items, I looked for a body-packed microphone for easy and convenience filming, but unfortunately I couldn't get the one that matched my phone, so I had to go for this one instead. For my lighting, I roll up my window curtain and use the reflection of the sun. That's the table and the stool that I used to sit down and film.